Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Another volatile session. The S&P, it's been hanging and consolidating, a little less of a range than we've seen here the last couple of days, those wild ranges, but the day is not done yet. It's one of those ones where we're building a base, trying to hold that 200-day moving average. It's been constructive, and as long as this holds, we remain upbeat. We've been bullish, but at the same time, you have to be nimble in this market. And if you talk to anybody at our trade desk, we're playing this market from both sides throughout the day. You have to be nimble and you have to look for the opportunities. We have resistance at 26.27 on the Morning Express. It held early after the open, and it traded down to the 200-day moving average or near that 200-day moving average. And then it bounced back up, ran stops above 26.27 the second time, got out above 26.30, still consolidating. I think there's a lot of worry out there, and that's why people think we might go lower again. But ultimately, this has been a constructive session. So there's still a little bit, about an hour and a half or so to go. And I wouldn't be surprised to see a firm close to today's session. Really did surprise people. Moving on to crude oil, we were wrong here. We thought this thing was going to really kind of regain 65 without seeing a bearish in an inventory report. And it wasn't really bullish, but it definitely wasn't bearish. We saw a bigger draw than expectations as a whole when you combine the gasoline, the distillates, and the crude. And as well, it was a bigger drawdown ultimately too compared to the API report. This should have helped the market move higher. We had the production number, just a steady production. Though there was an SPR release today that could have added a little bit of pressure, but the real culprit, likely the dollar index. The dollar index is up about 1%. All major currencies are down against the dollar today. That's holding back commodities. The crude is coming back though, and tomorrow is like Friday. Friday's been very, very friendly to crude oil. Friday is Good Friday. Tomorrow is Thursday, and the session on Friday is totally closed. And this could help the market gravitate higher with the 3-day weekend with no access to the markets. We like crude oil, and it started to stabilize after running major 3-star support today. So we still like it. If it gets out above 65, we think there's further gains to see here before the weekend. And again, back to that dollar, it's putting pressure on gold. We like gold, though another failure against that 1360 area. It's not great to see, but look for consolidation here. We remain long-term bearish to dollar. And we think gold is going to find some support down here. We really do want to see it regain 1340. Big number tomorrow. The PCE index, it's the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation indicator. It's going to be a driver for the dollar, gold, the stock market, everything. Give us a call. We're here to talk about all this. 312-278-0500. You can email us, info@bluelinefutures.com. You can sign up for a free trial of our research on our website. And remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.